Look at this question with me. Square root of root 9 subtract root 8. We want to find the result. We know square root about 9, it will be 3. And square root about 8, it's meaning what? It's meaning square root of 4 times 2. And we can write 3 outside here. Subtract square root of 4 equal 2 and square root of 2 behind it. We're using distributive properties about distributive properties about 4 and 2. Square root about 4 equal 2 and square root of 2 are behind it. We can using this rule to simplify it, and we can write 2 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. Subtract by 2 root 2. And then we can write here 2 subtract 2 root 2 plus 1. And then we can complete this square root here. Write the first here square root negative 1 all power 2. If we find the distributive about power, first will be 2 and the second 2 root 2 and the third plus 1. So it will be absolute value of root 2 minus 1. It's meaning greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, because the number here must be equal positive. And we know root 2 equal 1.414. Then the result here will be, right, root 2 minus 1, it will be 1.414 subtract by 1. It will be 0.1, 0.414, or this result, square root of 2 subtract by 1. Find x if e power x subtract 2 power x over 6 power x subtract 3 power x equal 2. We can simplify this expression here. 8 power x, it meaning 2 power 3 x subtract 2 power x over 6 power x, it's meaning 2 power x multiplication by 3 power x subtract 3 power x, it will be equal to. We can write the least common multiplication between two terms here, 2 power x outside here, 2 power 3x multiplication power 2 power 2x subtract by 1. The result will be 2 power 3x subtract 2 power x. It will be equal to, and here write 2 power x here, or 3 power x, height common factor between two terms here. The result will be 2x subtract by 1. It will be equal to, and then we can factorize this expression because it will be 1 power 2. Write 2 power x outside, 2 power x minus 1 multiplication 2 power x plus 1 over 3 power x multiplication 2 power x subtract by 1, which will be equal to. We can cancel this expression by this expression and complete here 2 power x multiplication by 2 power x minus 1 over 3 1. The result will be 2 power x multiplication 2 power x plus 1 over 3 power x equal to. Find the result about product, two term here, the product of extremes equal product of means. Then if we put x equal 1 from left hand side, the left hand side will be equal 6 and right hand side will be equal 6. Left hand side equal right hand side if x equal 1. Then the solution about this example, solution will be what? X will be equal 1. Look at this question. 9 power x minus 6 power x equal 4 power x. We want to find the value of x. We can simplify this expression by dividing by 4 power x. It will be 9 power x over 4 power x. Subtract 6 power x over 4 power x equal 1. We divided by 4 power x. And here 9 is meaning what? 3 power 2. And 4 equal 2 power 2 all power x. And here 6 divided by 4 equal 3 over 2. We can simplify this. We can write x outside here and divide it by 2 numerator and denominator. The result will be 3 over 2 all power x. Okay, and then we can replace this power outside and inside. Write 3 power x, 3 over 2 power x all power 2, subtract 3 over 2 all power x equal 1. In this expression we have 3 over 2 power x. Let this fraction equal k. Then k power 2 subtract by k equal 1, moving 1 to left hand side, and then factorize it. K subtract by 1, and here positive, it will be negative, but it was negative. We can't use this rule, so we can use a quadratic about function ax power 2 plus bx subtract or plus c equal constant. Then x equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac over 2a. Then x equal k here equal negative b, b here equal negative 1, it will be 1, positive or negative, square root of b power 2, b here negative 1, we have a equal 1, b equal negative 1, c equal negative 1. b power 2, it will be 1, subtract 4 times a times c times 1 times negative 1, it will be positive, over 2 multiplication by a, then k will be equal 1, positive or negative, square root of 5 over 2, and then let k equal 1 plus root 5 over 2, and here y minus root 5 over 2. We know k equal 3 over 2 all power x, it's k equal 1 plus root 5 over 2, and here 3 over 2 all power x equal 1 minus root 5 equal 2. It's a positive and this result negative, so it's false because the result here positive and result here negative. Okay, but this examples 3 over 2 all power x equal 1 plus root 5 over 2, it's the result here. We can use a logarithmic here, but logarithm here to the base 3 over 2, write x outside, 3 over 2 to 3 over 2 equal logarithm 3 over 2 base here, and the number 1 plus root 5 over 2, it will be 1 times x, it will be x equal logarithm 3 over 2 to the base and 1 plus root 5 over 2, it's the value of x. We can simplify it, write logarithmic to the base here 10, 1 plus root 5 over 2 over logarithmic 3 over 2, and then we can find the difference between two logarithm root 1 plus root 5 subtract by logarithm 2, because we divided two expression here, over logarithm 3 over 2, it's meaning logarithm 3 subtract logarithmic 2 to find the result. Calculator, x will be 0.51 and 0.301 over 0.471 and 7 and 1, subtract 0.307, x equals the difference between them, 0. 10 minus 1 equal 9, 0 minus 0 equals 0, 5 minus 3 equal 2, 0.1761, it will be equal 1.186 and 8. Okay, you can check the answer, put x equals this result here, 9 power the result, subtract 6 power the result, it will be 4 power the result. Then x will be 1.168.